At every sunrise, a bird teaches us the courage to begin. Though small, it does not fear the vastness of the sky. Courage is not the absence of fear, it is choosing to fly even when your wings still tremble. Each flap of the wings takes us closer to freedom. Storms may come, but the bird does not give up. It knows the wind only makes its wings stronger. After the storm, the sky is brighter, so is life. After struggle comes victory. Learn from the bird, dare to begin, endure the storm, and finally claim your freedom. Thanks for watching.